Hey everyone, good evening. Just here to tell you a little bit about one of my favorite on-the-go snacks. Right now I'm not home, I'm just like working and I have to go from job to job, so I'm just kind of in my car and I packed a couple snacks with me. And I chose Planters salted cashews because I knew I wouldn't really be able to stop for dinner, and I know that nuts are usually very filling. I'm vegetarian, so they're perfect for that aspect. They're a good way to get protein when you don't eat meat. I love Planters. They've been around forever. Planters peanuts are probably the most popular out of all the nuts that they make, but they're very popular for other things as well. They have like great trail mix and stuff. I just bought a box. It was an 18 count box of these single serve cashews. So it comes with 18 of the 1.5 ounce or 42 gram little plastic containers. They're kosher. They come with 240 calories in a pack, which really isn't bad considering it's like a healthy snack too. And you know, it's not as bad as like some other snacks that you could be having. So you can see the back for the fat content has the little Planters guy that you guys probably remember from the commercials on the front, and the expiration date is May 27th, 2019. Plenty of time to go through those packs. If you don't want to get the single serve packs, you could just buy like the containers that I forget how many they come with exactly, but they're probably like a pound or a couple pound containers, and those are great to snack on when you're home and stuff. These are just great on the go because you could buy them and you could just stick them in your purse or backpack, office, desk drawer, car in my case, whatever you choose. And it's easy to open too. There was just like a little thing that says tear here. You just take both of your hands and make a little tear down the middle, and then you'll be good to go. So very easy to open. So it is Kraft Heinz Food Company in Chicago, Illinois that makes this. Contains product from Brazil, India, Ivory Coast, Nigeria, and Vietnam. From Kraft Foods, Kraft Heinz. For consumer inquiries, call toll-free. There's the number you could call, weekdays or website, www.planters.com. For best when used, by information, please see date printed on package, which we just looked at. Choking warning, do not give nuts to children under 4. It's a little website that you guys can visit, www.craftkidssafe.com. And there's the barcode right there. So here, ingredients: cashews, sea salt, peanut oil, contains cashews, manufactured on equipment that processes peanuts and other tree nuts. So if you're allergic to peanuts or other tree nuts, definitely shouldn't have this product. Nutrition facts: serving size is 1 pack or 42 grams. Amount per serving: calories 240, 170 fat calories, 19 grams of total fat, 29% daily value, saturated fat 3.5 grams, 18% daily value, trans fat 0 grams, polyunsaturated fat 3.5 grams, monounsaturated fat 10 grams, cholesterol 0 milligrams, sodium 140 milligrams or 6% daily value, potassium 280 milligrams or 8% daily value, total carb 13 grams, a 4% daily value, dietary fiber 1 gram, 4% daily value, sugars 3 grams, protein 8 grams or 12% daily value, vitamin A 0% daily value, vitamin C 0% daily value, calcium 0%, iron 15% daily value, phosphorus 20% daily value, magnesium 30% daily value, zinc 15% daily value, copper 45% daily value, manganese 35% daily value, and percent daily values are based on a 2,000 calorie diet. Had them in the bottom of my purse and that kind of got a little bit messy. But they're really crunchy and really delicious. I love the salted ones better than they make regular cashews too, but I like the salted ones because they're not like too crazy with the salt, and they just make it taste better and add more flavor in my opinion. But if you guys are like watching your salt, then I could understand steering away from these. But I don't suggest these in like a salad, but like I know a lot of popular dishes actually call for cashews, like chicken and cashews and stuff like that. Like there's a certain pad thai that I get. It's like veggie pad thai with tofu and cashews. It's delicious. So they're great for cooking too. So overall, excellent product. I love them as snacks. Like I said, you could cook with them, and I love these little packs that are just convenient for on the go and taking with you when maybe you can't stop for lunch, or maybe when you just need like your midday snack or whatever the case is. So these were Planters salted cashews. They're the 1.5 ounce and they come in the 18 pack. Hope you guys try them. I hope you love them, and I hope you guys found the video useful. Thanks for watching.